Hi everyone. Nainital Bank is one of the private sector bank in India. Recently it has released the recruitment notification with 155 vacancies to fill the various vacant posts as probationary officers and clerks in its various branches. Let us check the details. Here is the important dates about this notification. The online registration process will start on 29th August 2020 and the last date to apply for these jobs is 15th September 2020. Those who are interested to apply for Nainital Bank jobs, please go through the below details and apply online before the last date, that is 15th September 2020. Here is the vacancy details about this recruitment process. There are 155 clerks and officer vacancies available. Probationary officers 75 vacancies and clerks 80 vacancies are available. Selection process will be done in two phases. Phase 1 online exam. They will conduct online examination and then personal interview. Eligibility criteria to apply for these jobs is the age of the applicant should be for clerical jobs minimum 21 years and maximum 28 years. For officer jobs minimum 21 years and maximum 30 years. The age will be calculated as on 31st July 2020. Educational qualification and post experience to apply for officer posts is the applicant should have finished the graduation or post graduation with the minimum 50% marks from any recognized university, and the knowledge of computer operations is important. The applicant should have 1 or 2 years experience in banking or financial institutions. Educational qualification to apply for clerical posts is the applicant should have finished graduation or post graduation with 45% marks, and knowledge of computers is must, and 1 or 2 years experience in any banking field or financial institution should be preferred. Posts is like this. The online exam pattern will be like this. There will be 200 questions asked under these sections: reasoning, English, general awareness, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude. Totally 200 questions will be asked for 200 marks. The time duration of the exam is 145 minutes for clerical job. The online exam pattern for officers posts recruitment is there will be 200 questions will be asked under these sections: reasoning, English language, general awareness, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude, and totally the time duration is 145 minutes. Application fee to apply for these jobs is 2000 rupees for probationary officers and 1500 rupees for clerical posts. Before going to apply online, keep all these details with you: the scanned copy of applicant's photo, signature, left thumb impression, handwritten declaration form, and online payment details, valid personal email ID and phone number. Here I am going to show you how to apply online. First of all, go to the official website of Nainital Bank. This is the official website of Nainital Bank. Here you can check the notification details of clerks and probationary officers. Click here for online registration. Then it will open another window. Here you have to click here for new registration. It will open this window, Nainital Bank. Here you have to fill the basic information, basic details of the applicant, and then upload the photo and signature, and then fill the remaining details, and then recheck the filled application details and upload remaining scanned copies and pay the online fee, and finally submit the online application. Submitting the online application, take the printout of application and e-receipt of payment details. I have mentioned the step-by-step procedure to apply online. First go to the Nainital Bank and then go to the recruitment page of Nainital Bank and click here for online registration link, and then click here for new registration like that, and then upload the scanned copies. scan copies and recheck the filled details and pay the application fees. Click on final submit button. Take the printout of e-receipt and online application form after submitting the application. Once again check the important dates about this recruitment process and apply online before the last date. Thanks for watching and subscribe.